than the SC alone, we have seen anywhere from 15 to about a 20% improve. My name is Durga Bose. I am the division manager at California Community News. We're located in Irwindale, California. California Community News is a production company for the LA Times and the San Diego Union Tribune. For us, the SC is the workhorse in this entire facility. We have more SC in here than all the other equipment. The SC is multifaceted. The SC works in every area and every department in this building except for the press room. It's reliable, it's agile, and it's flexible. And it has power. You know, it's hard to find all those components in just one unit, and the SC fits that. Compared to the older, the fleet we just replaced, then the SC alone, we have seen anywhere from 15 to about a 20% improve, just moving pallets, whether it's from line to line or from warehouse to production floor.